Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to combine multiple Word documents into one master file. This instantly merges dozens of separate text files, reports, or chapters into a single unified layout without making you copy and paste each document manually. First, open Microsoft Word and start with a fresh, blank document layout, or open the target file where you want to gather all your external text assets. Move your cursor to the exact spot inside your workspace layout where you want the external document data to pour into. Look at the main navigation toolbar running across the top of your screen interface and click on the Insert tab. Move your eyes to the right side of the Options ribbon menu and locate the text command block. Find the small button icon labeled Object, which sits right next to the text box tool, and click the tiny drop-down arrow sitting directly right beside it. Select the specific option explicitly labeled Text from File from the Compact drop-down choice list. A file directory browser pop-up window will appear. Navigate to your storage folder and select all the separate Word files you want to combine. To keep your file layout flowing in the correct chronological order, make sure your target files are named numerically or alphabetically before you select them. Then click the Insert button. Watch your blank workspace instantly pull every single paragraph, table, and formatting layer from those separate files and merge them cleanly into one seamless master script sheet. And that's it. Your multi-document data consolidation configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.